Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Lance. I'm Sales Director here at VTS America. Today I want to show you guys our fan setup on one of our AVS 380 units. To start with, I'll show you guys our FRP fan wheel. So we do utilize FRP fan wheels as a standard. Our fan wheels are rated at 10 inches of static pressure. And one thing that makes our fan wheel a little bit unique is that we actually balance our fan wheels here in the factory. So one thing that we're proud of is on our direct drive plenum fans, our fan wheels are fully balanced out to our motor. Now that fan wheel sits on a Baldor Gold premium motor. Baldor tends to be one of the standards for the American market. We're proud to utilize this motor in our unit. Each one of these motors do come with shaft grounding rings after, I believe, 1.5 horsepower. The motor size ranges for us go from 1 horsepower up to 15. Now, when we utilize multiple motors inside of a unit, we do have internal isolation for each motor. We utilize a neoprene oscillator. Due to the fact that we balance every one of our fans with a premium motor, again, we do have minimal vibration to begin with, but each motor is internally oscillated. Also, if you will notice, one of these motors are wired back to a central connection point inside of what we call our SCP panel. Now we do have the option to ship the unit without wiring and the motors not wired up if needed for field installation. But as a standard, when we do have multiple fans in a unit, they do come wired back together in our SCP panel with a single point power connection. And lastly, we have a design that is really second to none. I want to thank you guys for joining us today, taking a view of our fan setup on our AVS 380. Hope you enjoyed.